Because if I go under 100, my car will blow up.
What?
I don't know, somebody rigged a bomb on it like that.
Ready, same time, ready?
You have so many seconds. You have so many seconds to get to 100. After that, you can't fucking go under 100. Fuck you.
He's probably taping this right now.
I know, that's why I said
And I'm
that.
sitting there like a jackass taking pictures of him.
Some of the coolest memories of my lifetime. They call them short hops.
Let me see.
You take a normal one.
That was fucking great. Fuck off, eat shit.
Will you smile?
I can't, Brady's fucking distracting me. I was talking.
That looks the same as it did last time. I'm serious.
Delete that.
That's pretty fucking close. Pissed off.
Yep.
Mother!
Fuck off. I'm gonna smash that.
Just like YouTubing and shit. Dude, put me on live.